Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. As they say, health is a state of complete harmony of the body, mind, and spirit. To portray the same thought, I, Ishani Goyal, along with my classmates, are here to present our assembly on physical fitness, Equilibrate, staying healthy.
Let us begin with the positive affirmations. Please join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat these positive affirmations in your mind. I am healthy, happy, and radiant child. I choose to be fit and healthy. I am safe and protected. My life is filled with joy. Now slowly open your eyes. Thank you. I am sure now you are ready for a new and happy day.
I request all parents to have their screen set on HD or 720p for the best viewing experience. People who pray together build a better world together. So let's pray with a sincere and humble heart today for a life full of God's blessings.
Oh God, make me a good child, honest and truthful, hardworking and helpful, courageous and fearless. Teach me to know you, to love you in all that I think and do. We thank you, Lord, for happy hearts, for rain and sunny weather. We thank you, Lord, you gave us fruit, and that we are together. Teach me to know you, to love you in all that I think and do. Oh God, make our school a place of love and harmony. Bless our GOENKA family and keep us all in unity. Teach me to
Now it's time to share some interesting news about what is happening in India and around the world. The Olympic Games are all set to begin in Tokyo and contingents have started to arrive. The National Stadium is all set to host the games in weeks. From now is all open for the athletes to practice. Indian golfer Anirban Lahiri qualifies for Tokyo Olympics.
Namaste. Time for some school news. The Goenkans performed simple asanas and participated in artistic yoga sessions to promote their vitality and mindfulness on the International Yoga Day on June 21st. We also observed the International Olympic Day on June 23rd to explore the history and spirit of the Olympic Games all year round and got an insight about the importance of this special day. As it is rightly said, happiness is the highest form of health. Physical fitness is the first requisite of happiness. When we are healthy and fit, we are able to enjoy our life well. A healthy body is one that has good physical, emotional, and mental well-being. So let's remember to always respect our body, fuel our body, move our body, challenge our body, and most of all, love our body.
To achieve this balance, we could do different activities like sports, games, yoga, swimming, cycling, and many more, which can benefit us in gaining flexibility, burn calories, increase blood flow, and boost immunity.
Exercise is easy. Exercise is fun. Exercise is great for everyone. Run, jog, walk, or skip. Make sure you do it at least a little bit. Increase your exercise day by day. Keep at it and you will find a way.
If you want to be fit, why not go for a run? Try skipping with a rope. It can be a lot of fun. And don't forget dancing. That's also good for you. And of course, there's swimming. You could try that too. You might want to do a bit of running on the spot and try a few jumps or maybe quite a lot.
You could play a game of football. In fact, I think you should. And a quick game of tennis would really do you good. Just walking at a fast pace will help to keep you fit because you will never stay healthy if all you do is sit. So here are the GOENKAs of class 2B presenting their fitness regime through a video. Today I will do exercise. Exercise makes us strong and healthy. So let's begin.
Wasn't that amazing? Physical fitness starts with mental fitness. Mental fitness is only possible when your thoughts are healthy. Mental fitness means maintaining a state of well-being and cultivating awareness of how we think, behave, and feel.
Exercises that help us stay mentally fit are meditation, solving puzzles, reading books, listening to music, brain games, learning and acquiring new skills, etc. So let's think which activities you would like to do in your daily routine to boost your mental fitness. Now let's see how the students of 2E keep themselves mentally fit and positive. This is my mini garden. I water them every day. Gardening refresh my mind, so I am happy. I love drawing and coloring, and it helps me relax. I like to play brain games with my laptop and do activity books. It keeps my mind fresh and healthy. It's a good pastime. I asked my father to get more such good books. This is like a piano and happiness is like music. Now let me start Bedacham. I like mind games. It's good for our mind. Come on, join me. Reading is a beautiful thing because it takes us to places we have never been or places we want to go. For me, reading is important because it relaxes my mind. So, I always read a book before going to bed to get a good night's sleep. Nowadays, I'm learning bhajans from my nanny to relax my mind. Let me sing a few lines for you. कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्. I'm with my best friends, and my best friends are books. This is Ila Diaries, and this is my other friends. Let's read two puppies make and kick. Reading is so much fun. It makes me happy. I feel relaxed during reading. It also helps us in enriching our knowledge. Gardening makes me very happy and relaxed. I love to do drawing. I love colors. This is my hobby. Drawing improves my creativity and concentration. I playing the carom board. It makes me happy and relax. I like doing puzzle. It makes my brain sharp and healthy. I'm going to show you how does it work. It's fun. To make my brain strong, I do some brain activity. So see how I do. Art is all around us. It makes everyone's brain very sharp and healthy. Look, I have made a My Little Pony character. Riddle sharp my brain. Let's play riddle.
Okay, so which table doesn't have legs
Vegetable.
and which dog doesn't bite us?
A dog. Playing with my cousins make me feel happy. Give me the brush. Give me the brush. Exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Put them together and you have got a kingdom. To stay healthy, one must eat nutritious food. Milk, fruits and vegetables, meat and non-veg too. Try to have some every day. They are so good for you. These will help me grow healthy from head to toe. Rightly said, Garvey. Eating right is one of the most important aspects of healthy living.
A balanced diet keeps our body moving and helps fight off diseases. It's important to eat a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and grains, so that our body gets adequate vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, etc. Sleep too plays an important role in the development of young minds. It allows the mind to rest and boosts your immune system.
Our school has always emphasized on all round development of the children, not just when we were in our physical school, but also during the online classes. To keep ourselves physically fit, socially connected, and emotionally strong, our dear Srishti ma'am has always ensured that we regularly follow a physical and mental fitness regime. Ma'am not only follows a workout routine and eats healthy but also guides us all to do the same. I would now like to invite our loving Srishti ma'am and request her to share us with her love and guidance on the same.
Thank you so much, Pavni. Wow, what a beautiful assembly. Thank you, dear children. What an informative assembly. So, our learners of class 2 have given us so many useful tips for healthy living and so many takeaways from this assembly. Well done. Here is a star and smiley for all of you. Wonderful. A very good morning, dear children, parents, and my dear teachers. While there are go-getters who always make the most of the situation at hand, and more so during the lockdown, when the world is finding ways to stay motivated through creative pursuits, eating healthy, exercising regularly, and even working on one's sleep cycle. All are important aspects of good health that we must never forget. Our children have spoken so much about fitness, and physical fitness is not just crucial for a healthy body but imperative for a healthy mind and the emotional well-being. So, of course, it all starts with being physically fit. What do I do for good health? I follow a whole plant-based diet called the vegan diet that has healthy eating guidelines and contains all the nutrients that our bodies need. And I try to go for a long walk on a regular basis to keep myself fit, just like all of you. I keep my mind occupied with creative pursuits and I do meditation and chanting for my soul. So it is all about body, mind, and soul that we need to take care of in order to lead a happy, healthy, and fulfilled life. We wish to see all of you, dear Goenkans, doing well, not only in your studies, but grow up to be physically, mentally, and emotionally strong and happy, well rounded, those individuals who can create value in life. We recently celebrated the International Yoga Day and the Olympic Day. We want our children to incorporate more of yoga and meditation in their regular routine so that they stay calm and happy. I could see so many of you doing Om chanting and meditation and yoga, and I'm so happy to see that in those videos. In our day-to-day online engagements, we shall be incorporating more of brain break exercises, energizers, so that all of you don't have to constantly look at the screens. And also you get to do some physical exercise to channelize your pent-up energies, get rejuvenated and feel happy. So all these energizers are going to help you do that. Also, a lot of reading good books shall be emphasized upon along with a few activities like a jigsaw puzzle, memory games, and so on. So the last week of every month, as you all know, will be taken up as a recap week, and assessment fun sheets will be attempted by our children so that they don't get overwhelmed by too much to learn too soon. And it is also time for all of us to gear up as we pick up the rigor of academics. And not only that, we shall be having whole lot of exciting upcoming activities and events. Very soon we are going to have our GOENKA Wizard, which is a cornucopia of competitions. That is a platform for our GOENKAs to showcase their talent. Thereafter, we will be celebrating Ice Cream Day, your favorite Mango Day, and Art Integrated Learning Project presentation right at the end of the month. So this will be based on the colorful theme of seasons that we will be doing in the last week of July. And in the month of August, yet another set of interesting activities. In August, we'll have the annual aquatic camp on the theme Panoramic Peru. Yes, Peru is the theme country this year, and our children have started learning already about the same. And very soon, we shall be releasing a colorful flip book on the theme, followed by a special activity booklet. How about that? Yes, we are going to have a lot of exciting things happening. So, dear parents, let's continue to collaborate and help our children experience the joy of learning as they continue to follow a healthy routine. So be happy, stay safe, stay active, fit, and healthy. Thank you so much for joining us on this virtual platform for this special assembly on fitness. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing with us so many tips on how to keep ourselves fit. So, friends, we would like to end by saying think positive, exercise daily, eat healthy, work hard, read more, and be happy. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.